So normally I like to actually get a drink for actually on the show, and I actually like to make sure that everyone's going to know that I'm good, sourced, and ready to actually have a bit of fun, and all loosey-goosey. But, of course, that can't actually fucking happen tonight because I decided to actually get in the car a good half hour to 45 minutes earlier to make sure that I could actually go to the Bottle-O and go get a drink, but no, can't fucking do that because when I leave out of my house, I drive the 2 minutes to the bottle shop. I can just drive to the bottle shop and I actually go out of my driveway, down the street, turn the corner to find there's been a fucking accident at the end of the corner there. So I have to turn around, which in Sydney takes 20 fucking minutes to go the other way. I've got 2 minutes to my left, 20 fucking minute detour to my right? So I take this 20-minute detour, and it's okay, right? Because I still got half an hour to 45 minutes to get there. I've given myself plenty of time. I'll be fine, right? I'll be fine. I take off down the 20 minutes, I go down the end of the road, I come right round the other side, and then I actually get there and I park in the complex underneath the Bottle-O. You've got the Bottle-O, then you've got the shops with the parking complex underneath it, right? So I go ahead and do that, and then when I get out of the damn thing, an alarm goes off everywhere. This fucking like evacuation alarm is like, evacuate the building. And it just keeps repeating it, and I'm like, fuck me, now what? I'm in the parking complex and I figure, look, it's probably not attached to the actual Bottle-O, it's probably about the shops itself, right? Ding ding, turns out I was right. I get out of my car and then this fucking prepubescent little 17-year-old, something like that, comes panicked out and says, oh no, we can't let anyone up or anything because we're evacuating. And I'm like, alright buddy, okay. So I'm like, alright, I still got time. I still got fucking time. I'll get in the car and I'll quickly park on the street. So I park on the street and then I go, right, I park on the street now, I'm out, I'm done, and I'll just walk back over to the complex. I walk over, I go through the crowd, and fucking there's people just packed everywhere, right? They're all just standing outside the fucking building. Blah, 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 blah. And then finally get to the actual Bottle-O at 8:01. And I step inside, the lights are on, and this kid behind the counter is coming up, he's got the keys, and he says, oh nah, we're closed.